Hello, everyone. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. I am so glad you joined me. Thank you all for joining me, ladies and gentlemen, kings and queens. My name is Joyce McTeer, and I am the owner and operator of Lajoytra Creation Designs. I came to you all showing you all that I was going to be making some earrings using some scrap pack, okay? So here are the scrap packs that I am going to be going with. That's the back, it's white. And it has like I don't know if y'all can see it, has like a full, it's pink, and it has like a full, you can see it like, okay. And then this one is like embossed a little bit. This is pink as well, with like a full background to it. And then we have this one here. They're stars. And then we have this right here. So these are the 4 pieces that I'm going to be using to make a pair of earrings. And you're going to need a Sharpie. You're going to need some scissors. These are going to be clip-ons, okay? These are going to be clip-on earrings. And I ordered these from Amazon. I don't have the number, but if you go to Amazon.com, you'll be able to find these, okay? You're also going to need some Aleene's Tacky Glue. You're going to need some Gorilla Glue, a regular pen. You're going to need something wet to wipe your hands on because I'm going to use my fingers to put the glue on, okay? And I'm going to be using my tags, okay? Now, these tags, every now and then, I do have people ask me, where do I get my tags? I got these tags from Walmart, okay? I got them when they were on sale. They had a clearance. Now, I have not seen these tags in Walmart for a while, okay? But I did get these. You get 10. And I don't know if there is a number. I don't know if y'all can see that number. I was looking to see if it was, okay, so I'm going to make sure that I put low-hyphenatedcornell.com. I'm going to put that maybe, oh, well, no. See, these were made in China, y'all, so I don't know, but I've had these for a while. I did a haul on these some months ago, okay? And out of this stash, I'm going to be using these long ones, these round ones, and these small round ones right here, okay? So our earring is going to be made just like that. It's going to have some length to it. It's going to be pretty long, okay? You are also going to need some jump rings, okay? You're going to need some jump rings to attach your pieces together, okay? So we're going to go ahead and get started. Okay, so the very first thing that I'm trying to decide is what pieces do I want to put where, okay? For my round pieces, I think I'm going to go with these, and for this middle piece, it's going to be between these two here, and the top piece, probably these 2 pieces here, okay? Or down here. It just depends. And I'm just going to take and trace my circle just like this. I'm going to put a piece on the front and a piece on the back. And I'm going to cut my pieces out. And then before I do anything else, I'm going to take my Sharpie and I'm going to go around on each piece of my wood pieces and color it in just like this. This is Sharpie permanent marker, okay? And I'm just going to do this, go in just like that. Okay, so you don't have to use any paint or anything like that, okay? And I'm gonna cut my pieces out and I'll be back. Okay, y'all, so while I was gone and while I was cutting my pieces, I made a decision to change some things about the earring. At first I was thinking about doing 3 pieces like this, but I realized that I don't really have enough of these scrap packs to do that. So I'm gonna take the circle out and I'm just going to do these 2 pieces right here. Okay. So I'm just going to be making these earrings, these 2 right here. Okay. So basically what I did was this is going to go on the top of my earring on the front and the back. And then this I am going to put, this is going to be the front. And this piece is going to be the back. So I'm going to glue that on like that, okay? So I'm going to take my Aleene's Tacky Glue. Actually, I should be able to squeeze it out. And I'm going to put a generous amount on my pieces. Come on out. Oh, wow. I'm like, what is going on? Like, it's taking forever to come up to the top. All right, y'all, so let me... I'm just gonna put some, squeeze some out right here, just like that. I really didn't want to do it that way, but I don't have a choice. And like I said, I'm gonna go ahead and glue on my pieces. So I'm gonna put a generous amount. And I forgot to mention to everyone, I forgot to mention that you're gonna need, I'm going to be using my Mod Podge right here to seal it, okay? So I'm gonna put this on just like this. And then I'm gonna do my second one. That's why I said make sure you have a cloth or something that you can use to wipe the glue off of your fingers. I don't mind glue getting on my fingers. Not this kind of glue anyway. The E6000 and the this right here, I try not to let that touch me at all. And then I'm gonna put this piece right here on the back. Like that. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and do this piece. I'm actually putting it on the wood. And then I can take this piece and just place it just like this. And then I can just flip it over to the other side like this and do the same exact thing. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to let these pieces dry, and then I will come back with the next step. Okay, y'all, so once your piece dry, then you're gonna come and you're gonna hit it with some Mod Podge. Now the Mod Podge has a sealant in it, and that's going to help everything stick. And we're gonna do it on the front and the back of our piece. Make sure we get the sides. I'm gonna flip it over so we can get the back. Okay, and then I'm gonna let this dry, and I will be back. Okay, y'all, so our pieces have dried. So what I'm going to do is I am going to make a jump ring, and it has to be pretty big. So I'm going to use this awl right here. This dowel right here to make a jump ring so that I can put these two pieces together, okay? So I'm just going to snip maybe 2 inches, 2.5 inches of wire. I'm going to take my dowel and I'm going to just wrap it around one time on my dowel, just like this. I'm actually take this off, and then I'm just going to take my pliers and snip it just like that. And here I have my nice size jump ring, and I'm going to just take that and put these two pieces together. Now what I have decided to do is I've decided to add some 12 gauge aluminum wire also to my piece. Okay, put that through there, and this fits perfect. Okay, then I'm going to add that onto that, and I'm going to close this up. Okay, and there you have it. That fits perfect. Okay, now the next thing you want to do is, what I'm going to do is I cut maybe about 5.5 inches of my 12 gauge aluminum wire, and I'm just going to make a design really quick. Nothing special. Just wanted to, y'all know me, I gotta be a little extra. So I'm just gonna make some spirals and then just bring this over like this. Okay, and then I'm gonna bring it all the way over. That's what you're gonna have. And then down the bottom here, I'm gonna make just a little loop. And I'm gonna put this on using my Gorilla Glue. I'm gonna put it right here on my piece. I just had to give it something extra. So I'm gonna take my Gorilla Glue, and I'm going to put a generous amount here and just place that on my piece just like this. And then that's going to dry, and then I'm going to also put on my clip-on back. Okay, so I'm going to put a generous amount in here and flip my earring, this part of my earring this way, and place it. And you want to try to place it in the center, but go up as close to the top as you can and press on it just like this. Okay, and what you want to do is you want that to dry. So you want to let that dry for a while. Okay, but this is our earring. And this is, of course, made with, like I said, the scrap pack and the scrap pack and my tags that I got from Walmart. Okay, So I hope you all enjoyed this tutorial DIY, how to make video today. Go and make yourself plenty. And with that being said, I want to thank y'all for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up, like, and share. And until the next one, everyone, peace and blessings. See ya.